If you're experiencing issues with voice chat in Overwatch 2, calibrating your settings can help resolve the problem. Follow these steps to ensure your voice chat is set up correctly. Step 1. Check in-game settings. Navigate to the Options menu in Overwatch 2. Select the Sound tab and ensure that the voice chat settings are enabled. Make sure the input and output devices are correctly selected. Step 2. Adjust input volume. In the same sound settings, locate the input volume slider. Adjust it to a higher level to ensure your microphone is picking up your voice clearly. Test the microphone by speaking to see if the indicator responds. Step 3. Verify system settings. Exit the game and check your system sound settings. On Windows, right-click the sound icon in the taskbar, select Sounds, and then go to the Recording tab. Ensure your microphone is set as the default device and is not muted. Step 4. Test your microphone. Use a voice recording application or the built-in sound recorder on your system to test if your microphone is functioning properly outside of the game. If it works there, the issue is likely within the game settings. Step 5. Restart the game. After making adjustments, restart Overwatch 2 to apply the changes. Join a game and test the voice chat again to see if the issue has been resolved. If you followed these steps and still experience issues, consider checking for game updates or consulting the official support forums for further assistance.